These are the DJI Osmo action cameras. Hey, I'm Fish. We had on VO10303-550 what is called tone. It's the normal color of the camera and vivid. And yeah, if you use neutral, that's the camera's color, like you're using on the Action 4 or the Action 5 Pro early on. And the colors are normal. What we're on, you got it, VO104-0701, and people are not happy yet with the neutral tone. To me, the tone should have had three things: off at default, neutral, and vivid. Maybe DJI needs to make a vibrant. Vivid is way too bright. It doesn't make the camera look any better than it is. So can you use vivid in low light situations to brighten up the areas? Because it makes things look like not even a golden hour, way over the golden hour, overexposed. And that's where I probably say the Ace Pro 2 has the better LUTs or filters in the camera. Heck, I went to AliExpress and looked on there for $315. I could have picked up an Ace Pro 2. They got 5 left, but the picture shows an Ace camera. And it don't look like a Pro 2, but as you scroll down, maybe at the pictures, yeah, they're just Insta360's defaulted pictures. I'm waiting a couple of days. Maybe I'll get the downgrade so I could do further testing. But you know what? This is a budget camera, trying to make it the best camera on the market. Well, I'm happy I'm with DJI, that I'm not with Insta360. But you know what? It is what it is, man. It is what it is. The sky, it's got that nice puffy cloud that looks like a mountain in the background. I'm waiting for that sun to rise so you get to see it. Well, I'll tell you what, it's only an infinity shot. Either my glasses are not fully cleaned and I see moisture in the air and some, you got it, fogginess. But there's that puffiness right up ahead. And there's the moisture, as you can see. And the sun is really golden, but behind some haze. Once again, something's not right. I gotta reset up my mic. It's off of the buzzing of the internal recording. Oh man, nothing ever goes right. The sun is coming up. We could go find a spot, set both cameras up, and do the highlight of the talk. So, in my mic setting, dual mic recording just happened to be switched off. And if you are just basically holding the camera and your hands go on the interface, it goes all over the place. So this was on the last time I used it, didn't turn on today. So there are glitches in VO104-0701. We'll ride along some of the greenery here. I got both cameras just placed on a metal bar, a pipe of the playground area, and does a nice job. Bottom is a magnet. It's also a wind noise microphone, so hopefully it won't cause any issues or any reverb or maybe some hollow sound. what I was trying to say. Well, VO10407001 has been out for some time. That's going to be released to all. So if you like what you see that I posted, and not many people out there were posting, but has DJI asked for those influencers not to post online, to directly send it to them personally for feedback. Nobody knows. It's been awfully quiet of the people who kept positive or complained online about their cameras. And yeah, somebody's got video and somebody has that video. But it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Can't worry about it. DJI has yet to give any announcements to anyone about if a new camera is coming out on the market. If it's a Action 6 Pro, if this is going to be the Action 6 Pro. But my main concern is both cameras got a light sensor. Bug went in my eye, man. It hit me right here. Did you see it? Both cameras got light sensors. And you know what? I took a blower and I cleaned it out. And I'm surprised when I say to you that the way you could test it out, walk close to the camera. Start to get your hands towards it. Is any light adjusting the exposure? Oh, somebody goes like this. Open up your eyes and see how it could adjust. It's not how it works, man. We got problems. And our problems are just not the camera. It is what it is, man. You can't please everyone. You can only please a certain few. And you know what? I don't love the breathing of the camera, where I'm in a nice blue area and it got bright, it got dark, it got bright to the norm, it got dark. That's kind of annoying. I have to say, warning. This video may cause epilepsy fits. Please be careful when you watch. I wonder if there is a way that we can get that switch, that color switch out. Just basically go in there, cut it, so it could no longer sense. I bet you it'll still breathe. We have to have it corrected. We need to have that exposure corrected, because it's constantly doing that. Well, it's like this color here. Only very few would get that, man. Only a very few. Oh, yeah, man. I should go down slow. Let go. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Oh, man. Just put those cameras anywhere you want. Just watch the sky, the clouds, the definition. So yeah, did what I had to say what I had to say, showed you what I had to show, and I said so. I'm watching over there a red robin. Red robins are out, and they're flying by. Well, I do have to go head into the woods, the marsh, and I want to go change my location and all. Well, I'm going to hop back on my bike and get on going. Because the little bug, the little spy, is following me. Woo, man. He's got that CO2 going, and he loves you. You think I could fit down here? Ooh, man, I'm getting hit by a top. I think I could fit down there. I never said I was gonna go down there through the top, but I said I was gonna fit here. Well, you know, I'm using the Action 4 right now. I'm gonna finish off my vlog with the Action 4. Now, whatever firmware version I left off at. And I'm not using the microphone. I'm just using the camera. Make it on up. Get on up. I gotta get my camera and all. Oh yeah, man. Climb on up. At least I'm able to and do what I have to do. Well, yeah, I'm the king of the hill. Well, the thing is, this metal is slippery. So that's why you see me going a little slow. Let's get my helmet on and get on going. I got the camera in the front on. I got it capturing me riding. And I could turn it on and off by the shutter for stopping the video. If I wanted to shut it down, I could use voice command by saying camera turn off. And maybe one day we'll get again, like I said, like what Insta has. I kind of miss those features. They pause recording, playback record, but I don't use them like I would. Just something that, you know, you have. DJI, you're not gonna have that. Well, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. You see the bike up ahead or the light that's on the road all the way up ahead, hitting you in the eye? We got somebody taking photos. Yeah, we take photos all over the place, man. The sun is coming up over there. Oh, we're a lot closer. You see the light that's up ahead that's shining? That's all it was. Just a light shining. Well, I am Fish. It's time for me to take care of some business, get things going, and go meet up with Joe and share my thoughts. Have a great one. See you on the next one.